Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Sorry, welcome to the channel. Anyway, I'll be doing the cooking today because my wife is not feeling well, and so I'm gonna do the cooking. First, I'm gonna do a boil up. I got neck chop, sausages, I got a few potatoes, and watercress. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Yep, I got an onion. So first, I'm gonna pre-pour the neck chops just to get the blood out of the neck chops. There you go. Pre-boil hot water. Just to speed things up. And then roast the chops. Yeah, so she's gone upstairs, probably lie down. We'll get something to do. She wasn't feeling good, so I thought I'd do the cooking for a change. I cook every now and again, but most of the time the master chef comes to cook, and I do the tasting. Yep. Bit of salt. And yeah, so I'm gonna have a cup of coffee and wait for the oil and the blood to boil out of the neck chops, and then get the rest of the ingredients ready. But for now, I'm gonna have a cup of coffee, okay? Catch you later. Welcome back everybody. Well, the neck chops have been boiling for about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna soak my watercress. Yeah, we went to the fish shop and I saw this and I said, look at it. $4 for this bundle. So I just soak it in water, cold water. Just in case some sneakies hiding in there. Like flushing up. Okay. I just pick the chops. Yeah. And I'm gonna boil the chops for at least an hour, 15 minutes, like that, and then take the rest of the ingredients and so I just took this out, put the pot back on, get the chops back. I'm cooking for 3. So let's put that there. And onion, where's my onion? For the kettle. onion. Look. I collect bone knives. I got heaps of bone knives. I used to go to the market and look for bone knives. And I got heaps of them.
And he never gave me one.
And I never gave my wife one. Because she didn't collect the oven. Anyway.
Just nice watercress.
Boil up without corn. It's not a boil up.
No,
Yes.
watercress is better.
This is Tang's boil up.
Yeah, watercress, yeah. Put in garlic and onion. Please.
Garlic. Garlic. I wish I had the proper knives. Because anybody seen a flying garlic? Step in my kitchen. In my kitchen, everything is flying.
What are you doing? Oh wait, I know, just use a knife to watch it. Okay, I'm going to sleep.
Yeah,
Don't burn the house down.
I'll try. Pila. So it's done. 1:45. Got any carrots? I want to put carrots in the boil.
There's one in there. I think there's one. Look into the drawer.
Peel the carrot. Is that it? Okay. I want to break it in two. So the stalk in there and the leaves there. And the watercress is good for you. Really good. That's why the married brothers are healthy. Because the watercress is healthy. Yeah, so I just prep everything and it's got to boil for another an hour at least. And then when I get back, I'll put the rest of the stuff in, all this stuff. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this. Sayonara. Bye. Okay, we're back. It's almost been an hour, and leftover tomato. Just chuck it in. I've never done with a tomato, but it's just lying here doing nothing. I might as well use it. What do you think, right? It might come out tomatoey. The carrot. Okay. So put it in like that. Like that. See that? See this? Is that watercress? See?
Talofa everyone. So now I'm gonna have some of the food that my husband made. The boil up. There's potato, watercress, a couple of sausages, lamb neck chop, and an egg for y'all. And the drink today is orange juice, and I have a oat bread that I'm gonna have probably just one slice, but I'm gonna have a prayer. Do a prayer, I mean. So cheers, guys. Nice kiwi drink. So I thought I'd have a slice of bread with my food. I don't know, but my husband said he's still full from whatever he ate today. So it's alright. Feeling a lot better now. We went to Kmart and then we went to Woolies, but it was like I wasn't feeling good. So I don't know if it was that killer this morning. I don't know. Anyway, you guys, there's potato and sausages. Egg bouillon. Egg bouillon in New Zealand tastes different than the one in Australia. I don't know. It's got this smoky flavour that they have. That's the old bread. This was my dad's favourite bread. Well, the chops nice and tender, darling.
Spot on, eh?
Yep.
Yeah. I just time it 2 hours, 1 hour, that's it. No fuss.
I was supposed to cook today, but I wasn't up to it, eh? I was just not feeling good. Watercress, guys. I ate a watercress. Very nice. Cheers again.
I pass.
Pardon?
I pass.
Pass what? Your exam?
Pass a test.
Oh, your driving test.
Cooking test.
Yeah, nice, darling.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks for hanging out. And thanks for letting my husband hang out with you guys too while he makes dinner. Because I was not up to it. Anyway, take a last bite before you go. Yummy. Yum. I hope you guys are all good. Having lots of lovely food to eat. This is good. So, because it's good, my husband now has to cook all the time.
Now I'm in trouble.
Oh well. Because you don't always like your cooking. Me, if I cook, I don't hardly eat my food. I'll go and make a sandwich or something.
Yeah, you do something right, you're in trouble.
Oh well, I'll carry on enjoying this. Thanks for hanging out. Take care, guys. God bless. Ka kite. So fast food full. Yummy.